Factor of 387. So 387, it can be written as 3 times 129. 3 times 129 means 387. 129, it can be written as 3 times 43. 3 times 43 means 129. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here are 3, 3 and 43. So we can write 387 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times this 3 times this 43. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.